hold up. Wait for the, you be thinking they hard. Take a seat. We gon' rock it till the wheels fall off. Hey. What is up, y'all? So today I am going to show you how to make a smoothie. There is no particular recipe that I follow. It's pretty much anything that I have in my fridge or freezer. I'm absolutely sure it's going to taste good and it's going to be healthy. So I am using a Vitamix that I kind of procured from my mom. I got some spinach that I got from Trader Joe's. I'm going to just put as much as I want to put in there. Organic tropical fruit blend. It's pretty yummy. Ooh, yeah. I absolutely love ginger. I got this from Harris Teeter. So I'll put, I'm gonna say four cubes of ginger in there because it's just so good. I have this, what I purchased from Trader Joe's. It is an organic juice beverage. So, and it has a lot of good stuff. Let's see, it has kale, spinach, green apple, celery, cucumber, lemon juice, and ginger powder. Oh, but let me do something right quick because this is what I like to do. I actually use this right here, Super Greens, because I just don't feel like I eat enough fruits and vegetables, and this has fruits, vegetables, super greens, mushrooms, and also probiotics. It's an alkalizing formula, and it's 50 organic superfoods. So what I normally do is, I'm gonna use a cup. I normally use a cup, so let's just use a cup. La-la. So I'm gonna take just a cup full of this, put it in a cup like so. See? Now I'm gonna pour some of this juice in here, just like that. And I'm gonna take a fork, stir it up really good. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. This is gonna taste so good. I tell you, Jeremiah, he absolutely loves my smoothies. Each and every one of them. It don't even matter. He loves it. And, you know, the fact that it's healthy, he also likes that. So, he kind of like his mama. All right, so I'm just going to pour that right in there like so. Boom. And I actually have some avocados. I have not used them in smoothies before. I hadn't even opened this bag. So today seems like a pretty good day to use them. Put some in there. I'm just winging it. And lastly, I add some water. And this is alkaline water. And the only reason I poured it in this glass is because it still has some powder in there, but I would have poured it straight in the blender. So it don't matter. Do what you feel. All right, and here we go. I'm not gonna pour all of it though. All right, so I'll grab the lid. Yeah, there. I really don't want my mama to find out that I got her blender. I tell you, this is fabulous. So fabulous. So let's start. This is gonna be really loud. All right, now I add some more of this. Like so. Oh, that sounds sounds good. Maybe I should do a ASMR. Turn, baby, turn. Just go inferno. Turn, baby, turn. Hey, 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 hey. So I am gonna add poquito más agua. Y'all hear that? That sounds good, right? All right, let me leave this thing alone before I break it. And then my mama like, you gotta pay $400. I'm be like, I ain't do it. You okay? Not me. You know how you blame your siblings? It wasn't me, it was him. I'm gonna put some more water because I don't like my smoothies all that thick. Like maybe I should be juicing then, right? Ooh. Oh, that's, oh! Hey! Oh, that sounds good. All right, all right, all right. I think this shall be the last time I blend. Oh Lord, I done messed up our blender. Let me check it out. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Wait, for the, you be thinking they hard, take a seat. We gon' rock it till the wheels fall off. Hey, hey, hey. Anywho. Oh, that's it. Oh, that's, oh. Did you hear that? Oh, that's thick right there. Oh, that's thick. You see how thick that is? Oh, that's thick. That's thick. That's thick like me. Thick. Oh, that's thick. Oh, that's thick. Oh, that's thick. Oh, that's thick. All right, we should be good now. That's good. That ginger is everything. Everything. And done. Let's try it. I don't be. That's still thick. Oh, but. Oh, I'm supposed to just be trying it. Oh, that's good. Oh yeah, that's good. Wow. Making smoothies ain't got to be complicated. Why are you making smoothies? Is it to be fancy? To be healthy? Or what? I do it to be healthy and also get the fruits and vegetables that I need. So yeah, things ain't gotta be complicated. Sometimes you just gotta wing it. Yeah, that's how I do most things. I just wing it. Yeah, But the good thing about following recipes, if you want it the same way every single time, it's good to follow a recipe. Me, nah, it ain't that serious to me. It ain't that serious at all. But anyway, these are the items that I used. And also the powder. So, thank you for joining me. May health and wellness and prosperity and everything good be with you.